Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. First of all, let me all welcome you to our YouTube channel Study Circle Mumbai. Today, we are here to discuss a very important announcement which has just come up by ICSI regarding the postponement of June exams. But before I take up that, let me tell you guys, thank you all for keeping me in your prayers. I am recovering well. Those who don't know, guys, I've been detected COVID-19 positive and I'm in my quarantine period and doing well. So guys, let's come to the notification. Now the ICSI has said that June exams have been postponed in this pandemic and new dates of exams have not been released. They've said that they will release the new dates seeing the scenario and give you 30 days advance notice. Now, you know, CA exams, when they got postponed and I gave you a video, CA Institute said they will give you a 25-day notice from the start of the exams. Same way, CS Institute has now given a period of 30 days. Whenever the exams will be there, 30 days pehle they will communicate to you. We can also see that today there was a big news that IPL now stands indefinitely postponed because the players and the support staff also started testing positive. We all know the real scenario in the ground, at the ground level, is really very grim. Many of us have lost our near and dear ones in this pandemic. I know personally many students who have lost either of their parents or brothers or etc. in this pandemic. So my deep, heartfelt condolences to each and every family like this who has suffered such a huge loss. And guys, we all know that in such scenario, examinations cannot be conducted due to uncertainty. And इससे बड़ा uncertainty कोई नहीं हो सकता है, boss. You switch on any news channel, you will see that, you know, people are dying just because they are not getting oxygen. So, you know, it's a complete failure of health infrastructure, guys. Every day, either the high courts or Supreme Courts are also reprimanding the state or the country and asking questions, what are they doing? So even if high courts and Supreme Courts have to post a question on health to the state, guys, we can understand it's a really grim scenario. So guys, this is not the time to get happy by this notification, right? You have to keep on studying, right? And you've got extra period, and that extra period has to be completely utilized. Please guys, don't celebrate this. It is not the time to celebrate. You know, अपने ही देश में अपने ही लोग जब इतना सफर कर रहे हो तो ये मौका सेलिब्रेशन का नहीं है. Please don't post on social media after this notification कि wow, exams have been postponed. Wow, it's not wow, guys. It's sad. Those who have gone through this, they can understand it. So guys, you have got extra time. I request and urge each one of you to study more better for the exams whenever they will be conducted. But, you know, I have been asked this question various times that sir, आपको क्या लगता है ये सब कब खत्म होगा? Guys, मुझे क्या लगता है उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. When biggest of the IITians are not able to estimate it, who am I to do it? If you ask me, I will want it to end right now. But then, looking at the scenario and keeping that if the third wave does not come, then we see a possibility of exams happening in end of July or first week of August. that is just a mere possibility and a mere hypothetical statement which I feel. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि exams may be conducted in July end or first or second week of August, provided you and me adhere to the norms, we stay at home, we don't move out, and we adhere to all the COVID-19 norms. So guys, this was what I wanted to say and update you on the notification. Once again, my condolences to the families who have lost their near and dear ones in this second wave of COVID-19. And guys, to those who are either in quarantine, I would wish a speedy recovery for all of you. And those who have not been infected yet, guys, stay home. That is the best way to stay out of this. So keep studying, guys. Utilize this extra time to write papers. Make your preparation in such a way that come what may, we will pass. Right? And it's not the time to celebrate. You can take a breather of a day or two, but then get back to it again. So that's all from my side, guys. See you, all of you. God bless you.